Tempo has reached critical level.
You tear me apart, baby, I don't name but my new.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first we're going to start off with the braid pattern. I am doing the diagonal method and I have about 6 braids on either side and 2 in the middle. The back is more of a spiral type of pattern, and that way the back won't have specific parting and it won't look so uniform. So I hope that makes sense, but this is the best way to make your crochet look natural. This is pretty much the hair almost finished. I only have like 4 more braids to do, kind of, and I just wanted to show you guys how I do those braids. So I'm just gonna take a regular one without an accent, and I'm gonna flip it here. I'm just gonna take the crochet needle. I'm gonna put it like right here. We're going to open up the braid, or the lock. Then you're going to close the hook and pull the hair through.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry.
As you get towards the end, or like towards the edge of the hair, it gets harder and harder to pull through because it's only a small braid. So the bigger the braid, the easier it is to pull through. But once you do that, we're going to take the left portion of the hair, so like the actual dreaded part, and we're just going to put it through the loop and just pull the dread to tighten it. So then also what I like to do, because the ends are so uniformed, so I'm just going to take the end of the curl and push the rest of the hair up, if that makes sense. So can you see that? I'm taking the end of the curl and pushing the top portion up so the ends won't be uniformed anymore. And that's how you crochet some hair.
You then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Oh, I didn't show you guys how to do the accent braids, did I? I don't think I did. Okay, so, or did I do this one? I don't remember showing you guys how to do accent. Okay, so if I did, then whatever, but with the accent braid, it's a little bit different. You're going to put it on the loop, right?
I never will. No, so I choke you down.
But when you get ready to put the braid in, you're gonna go, I think this is this braid, okay, yeah. You're gonna go from the bottom portion and put it through the loop. If you don't do it that way, then you're going to mess up the threading that's on it, the accents, and it's gonna like unravel. I'll put one more right here and I'll show you guys how I did it again. Instead of going and pulling it like regular, like putting it through here like regular, you're going to go from the end and put the ends in first.
Back to you, say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.
So this is the final look, guys. This is all 8 packs of hair in my head. Yes, I have 8 packs because my hair was very, very thick. I do have more accent braids on one side than the other, but that's okay because we are going to put in some jewelry and that's gonna like kind of offset it.
Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will.
Okay, guys, so this is the final look. This is with my decorations and also with my edges laid, and I freaking love it. It is the Bobbi Bross Bae Locs. You can't see it, it's not here, but it's the Bobbi Bross Bae Locs in the color 1B, and it's also 20 inches. Now this hair, I measured it, it's not 20 inches because I was like, this kind of looks a little bit short, and it's not 20 inches, it's more like 13 inches, and maybe it's 21 stretch. I'm probably reaching, it probably isn't even 21 stretched. I also used 8 packs of hair. I used all 8 packs, literally down to the last pack, the last strand, and 8 packs fit perfectly, like nothing went to waste, and I didn't need extra, so I needed 8 packs. My hair is pretty thick though, so that's probably why I needed 8 packs. If your hair is more on the thinner side, then you probably won't need 8 packs. I feel like this is such a great hairstyle if you're going back to school and you know you don't really want to do wigs or anything like that. This is so great. It was so quick. It took me 2 hours to completely finish everything, so I think that's definitely faster than doing like box braids or like doing this individually and having to do this for like 6 hours. Also, you can do this with box braids as well, and I think that it will take just about the same amount of time. You can also pin this up as well, and the way that I had my braid pattern, it doesn't look too obvious that it's crocheted. It actually just looks like I took my time and did this for 6 hours. I don't know what else to say about the hair. It's so cute and I freaking love it. So definitely check this hair out. I'll put all of the information in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.